Hi students, welcome to DOPA Capsule program. Myself Mohammed and first faculty of chemistry. Today I am going to explain a small topic from the chapter, that is hydrogen, that is called as covalent hydrates. What is mean by hydrate? Hydrate is a binary compound of an element with hydrogen is called hydrate. So the second type of hydrate, that is called as covalent hydrate. Okay, so the first type of hydrate is ionic hydrate, then covalent hydrate, then metallic hydrate. Here I am going to explain what is covalent hydrate. Covalent hydrates are formed by the p block elements of the periodic table. Covalent hydrate is formed by p block elements. Okay, so here I am going to explain some of the examples of covalent hydrate. Are you ready? So we know that p block is 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th and 17th group. 18 is a noble gas, that's why I am not writing here. Okay, these all are p block elements. Ready? So this is 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So here I am going to explain the hydrates. Okay, in 13th group, the first element is boron. The hydrate is, that is B2H6, that is diborane. After boron, then aluminium, then is AlH3 n times, that is allyne. Carbon is methane and silicon is SiH4, that is silane. Nitrogen is, that is ammonia, that is azane. Then after nitrogen, that is PH3, that is phosphane. Oxygen is water, sulfur is H2S, that is sulfane. Then fluorine is hydrogen fluoride, then chlorine is hydrogen chloride. Okay, these all are the examples of covalent hydrate. And the main point is carbon is the 14th group. So CH4, carbon, the valence is 4, hydrogen, there are 4 hydrogen, 4 plus 4, that is 8, that is octet is completed. So the 14th group hydrates are electron precise hydrates, Okay, so in 13th group, there are 2 boron, 6 hydrogen, so 1 boron, 3 hydrogen, so 3 plus 3, that is 6, that is octet is not completed. So 13th group hydrates are electron deficient hydrates. Electron deficient hydrates are Lewis acid because they are electron pair acceptors. Okay, so the 15th, 16th and 17th group hydrates are called electron rich hydrates. Electron rich hydrates are donate the electrons, so they are Lewis bases. Okay, electron precise hydrates are neither Lewis acid and nor Lewis base. Neither Lewis acid nor Lewis base. Neither Lewis acid nor Lewis base. Are you okay? Are you okay? These are the examples of covalent hydrate. Okay.
Hi all, you are watching a DOPA Capsule class now. To know more about DOPA and DOPA Capsule, download DOPA app and contact us using this number.